Yes. Okay, I hand over to Sharanya. Sharanya, you can continue.
So, hello everyone.
Hi,
Hello,
Sharanya.
Sharanya. Hello, Sharanya. Let's start. Okay, so how was your day today?
It's good, Sharanya.
It's
What
good,
about
sister.
you?
Okay, it was also good. Thank you. And today we are learning a new topic in Python. So, have you like any of you have any guesses like which
Loop
topic it would be?
in Python.
Loop,
Loops
loops
in Python.
in Python. Loops in Python.
Yeah, that's right. So today we are going to learn loop. Just a second, I'll share my screen. I hope you can see my see my share.
Yes. Yeah, we can.
Okay, so today we'll learn loop
Thank you.
Python. So there are many types of loops, but specifically we learn two types today. Before learning what is a loop, can anyone say like do you have any idea why we use loop?
Loops means
Sorry, your voice is breaking.
it is have like while loops, something. Yeah, while loops,
Sharanya, your
something.
voice is breaking, dear. Inika, who is talking now? Shushti, I think.
Srishti.
Yeah, Shushti, your voice is breaking, dear. Please see that you are in the network area where you are.
Okay, Inika, you raised your hand. You can answer. Inika, you can answer why we use loop or what is loop.
Sister,
In
can
loop,
you
while loop, something types will be there.
Tishi, you can.
It's useful to avoid the
Bring
repetition
back the code.
Please one speak at a time.
and automatic repetitive tasks, and it saves.
Inika, can you save from first?
Can you please say, Sharanya?
Can you save from first? Because you and Hiteshi started at a time.
Yeah, it's useful for avoid repetition, and it saves the time.
That's not the like you are far away from the topic. Let's once hear Hiteshi's answer.
Uh, to bring back the code. Wait.
Sister, can I say the answer?
Yeah, you can.
To make icon.
Okay. So you all tried, but we
Sharanya, can I?
I have an answer,
uh,
Sharanya.
let's move on for the topic so we don't waste the
Can
time.
I?
I'll give you next chance. I'll ask other questions, right? So I'll give you next chance so you can lower
Yeah.
your hands. So basically, loops are used to like repeat, some things. So if I want, hello 100 times, so loop will make me like a loop will help me to make it 100 times. Okay. Can anyone say like what would have happened if there was no loops in Python?
It the words will not
We have
repeating
to
again.
we should type each and every word.
Yeah,
So many
Hiteshi,
times.
you're right. we have to type each and everything. So if I want hello 100 times, so I should type hello 100 times. I'll just show you.
Sharanya. Fine.
I hope it's visible. So here you can see.
Yeah.
So if I want hello like six times, so see, I have to type each and everything. See, like print hello, print hello, print hello. So I have to give 100 times if I want 100 times, right? So see, if I
Yeah.
run this code, you can see here it's showing hello. So to repeat that, to avoid that, so it feels irritating, right? To type
Yeah.
everything.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So to avoid that irritation, so we use loops in Python. Go back to presentation. Okay. So yeah. So we learned, right? So why we need loop to avoid the irritation, like to type, each and every line. So to avoid that, we use loops in Python. So there are like many loops, nested loops, while for others are there. But mainly today we learn for and while. Sorry, while and for. So yeah. So for we learned right what is loop. So it's a basically a programming code. So it's a block of code which repeats whatever we say. So here you can see it starts first. It starts, then it repeat whatever we say. So like I said, if I need hello 100 times, so it repeats 100 times, and then it stops. Okay, if I said it to do 100 times, so it will do 100 times. If I told 1,000, 10,000, it will do how much ever time I need. So next we'll see the definitions. Yeah, sorry for that. Okay, so first we'll learn while loop. So as I said, there are many types, right? So can anyone guess like what is while loop in general words, if you have any ideas?
It may contains true or false.
Like if else statement.
Yeah, you're close to that, but it's not if else statements. So a while loop repeats codes as long as the condition is true. So it means that like if I give a code, okay, so if I give a code like any codes, okay, so if the condition is true, so imagine I give a code if my number, whichever the number I pick, is greater than 10. So you have to print hello 10 times. So if I give a code like that, so if the condition is true, if my number is greater than 10, so it will print hello 10 times. So for that we use while loop. So nothing but all you need to keep in your mind is what is while loop. If someone asks what is while loop, so you will say it's just a block of code which repeats the words as long as the condition is true. Okay. So if the condition is false, so the loop stops. Okay, it doesn't work. Got it?
Means it will be giving error.
Yeah, like not, yeah, error. So you can, okay, so it gives an error, like, yeah, so it gives an error. So now we'll just see a example for a while loop. So we can't just understand by words, right? So we have to make it practically. So
Yeah.
screen my, wait. Yeah, okay, so I'll just take an example for while loop. Just a second. So I'll take a variable called I. So let's take, so what's the value? What should we keep the value of I?
20.
25.
Okay, let's take it 20. I heard 20 first. Yeah. Then we should use while because we are doing while loop. So it's nothing but if like I is greater than 5, so if I is like greater than 5, so I'll just give it like that. So I'll tell it to print. So I'll tell print I. Okay. So I'll explain the code. Just I'll type the code first. So here, what it means that, so I'm saying that the variable I is holding a value called 20. Okay. So while I is like greater than, greater than 5, so it should, wait, it should print I. And we are saying to add 1 to I because, so we are saying add 1 to I. Sorry, not 1, it's 20. So we are saying that I is 20. Okay, so we are remembering it. So we are telling that, yeah, I is equal to 20. So let's just run it. Okay, so can anyone say what's the error?
You gave
Sir,
space.
you should put the greater symbol, replace it with lesser symbol.
Okay, let's try. So Punarvi said to replace it with lesser than. Okay. No, still we are having error.
Sharanya, you should not give a space there where you gave that symbol.
Oh, okay. So let's cancel that. Let's run. No, it's error. Yeah, Karthik,
Maybe
you
you
can.
should give a while
Please
number.
don't speak up
While
to
number.
yourself first. Raise your hands and then.
Can I?
Karthik, you can.
You have to give colon after 5.
Sorry, you're speaking too low.
Colon. 2 dots.
Colon. Sorry, your voice is so low.
Colon sister. What you tell now about the colon sister?
Okay, where should I put that?
5 sister.
Okay, after 5, let's try.
Yes.
No, still it's
Sister,
error.
can I?
Yeah, who is that?
Sister,
Sharanya, can I?
I think we have to give
Sharanya, can
space
I?
after print sister.
Sharanya, can I?
Space after 3. Okay.
Print sister. But can I?
Sharanya, can I?
Okay, that's error. Now, Ganavi, you can.
Before print, you have to give space.
Before print, okay.
Yeah.
No, it's
Can
not.
I, Sharanya? Sharanya.
Yeah, you can.
Can I?
Inika,
Can
you
I?
can. Please don't say can I. I'll just pick random name.
In third line,
Inika, you can.
print I, right, for that double inverted comma.
Sorry?
In third line, in the bracket, you written I. For that, give the double inverted commas.
Okay, let's try with that. No.
Cancel out the space after print.
After print, okay.
Yeah.
No. So I'll tell what's the error. It's
Sharanya.
not double inverted comma. It's not lesser than. It was just to put a colon over there. Someone said it.
Karthik.
I don't, yeah, Karthik. Great job. So that was the only mistake of, yeah, it's not. Yeah.
Again, you have given
Can you guys see
lesser.
the?
Yeah.
Again, you have given the lesser
Oh,
than sign.
I'm sorry.
Sister, you didn't go. You didn't got output, but it is showing. It is correct only, sister.
I replaced it with lesser than again. Sorry. Yeah, it's taking a bit. Yeah. So it will be continuing forever. See, it's not stopping. Yeah, Hiteshi, you raised your hand.
Sorry for answering that time. I raised my hand.
If that question is finished, so you guys lower your hands, okay? So here you can see it's keep on going. Okay.
Sister, can you keep again coding?
Sorry,
Sister, can you again keep the coding?
this one.
Yes, sister.
I'll just send the screenshot at the last, okay? So here you can see it's keep on printing, right? So we need to stop it, right? It will be keep on
Yeah.
printing. Yeah, we should stop. So before that, before I tell how to stop, do you need another example for while loop?
No.
Okay,
No.
Sister, give another one example.
okay, so someone said another one example. So I'll take another. So this time, what should we take our what should we
Yes.
take our variable name?
Yes.
Okay, let's
Yes.
take this.
Is
So
equal.
what's the value?
5.
25. 25.
5.
Right? Then we'll say while
While.
our
Yes.
variable is s, right? So if
Yeah.
s is like let's take lesser than this time is lesser than 10. I'll take it as 10. Then the most important thing like we forget last time
Colon. Colon.
was colon. So let's just give it.
You are not
And
giving is it?
next print. Sorry.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
You did not give is equals to.
Sorry, what?
Yeah. Greater than after you should give is equals to, right?
Yeah, yeah. Just make sure.
Sorry, lower than. Yeah, there.
No, no. After that.
Let's see. You guys said so. Let's see. Okay. What will
No,
happen?
after
After
that greater than symbol.
Okay,
Sorry,
for
lower than.
now, okay, for now, let it be like that. If it's error, so you can suggest your answers, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll take it as, sorry, S, right? Yeah. So here we take the last code, we taken it as greater than, right? So we
Yeah.
less symbol. So if we took lesser than, so what should we?
Minus symbol. Minus.
Yeah,
Minus
so
is
we put
equals
minus
to
symbol,
5.
sorry, minus symbol here. Minus,
Equals 5.
yeah,
Equal
5.
to 5.
So now let's just run it. There's
So
a
you should give lesser than after is equals to.
please don't speak up to
Yeah.
yourself. First, raise your hands, okay? Yeah, Sunny, you can.
After that symbol, you have to give is equals to
Okay, let's try.
lesser symbol.
It's loading. It's taking time. Let's just wait. it's keep on printing, but it's like minusing, it's just repeating this numbers. So let's just cut this code, okay? So it will be keep on printing. So to avoid that, I'll just cancel this code. So did you got the like basic knowledge of while loop? So it just keep on
Yes.
printing until the
Yes.
condition is true. Okay?
Yeah.
If the condition is false, it will not give results. Okay? So let's move
Okay,
for
sure.
okay, so we learned while loop. So in while loop, it keep on sprinting, you saw it, right? So it was giving, giving, giving. So we need some kind of code to stop it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we need some kind of code. So can you guess which code it can be? Like what code it is?
Maybe the present loop.
Which loop?
Present loop.
No, there's no such a present loop name. So for that, wait,
Excuse me, Sharanya.
slide is not good. Yeah, Ganavi?
Can you show the definition of loop? PPT of loop.
Yeah, only loop.
Yeah, you have given some definitions, right, for that.
Yeah.
What is loop?
Mhm.
Can you one show that?
And this one? Your voice is breaking. Please don't write on screen. So yeah, so let us move. So we need something to stop,
Before
right?
that,
Ganavi, I think your internet is not good. It's okay, you can speak afterwards. So let's continue the class. So to stop, we need a code, right? So for that, we use for loop. Okay. So then what is for loop? A for loop is used to go through a sequence one item at a time. So which means, like if I give something to, type, sorry, so something, so here I'll just take this example itself. So here the variable is fruit and I have given some fruit names. So apple, mango, banana. So if I set it to print fruit, it will print in a sequence. So can anyone say what sequence here?
Means you wrote that
Order?
Like in
fruit. For
first
fruit.
raise your hands. Srishti, raise your hands if you need to answer. Hiteshi, I saw your hands first. You can.
In the order manner.
You're correct. It prints in an order. Okay. So for that we use for loop. Okay, so let's just see a quick example. Let's just take a quick example. Okay. Give a variable name.
Vehicles. Vehicles.
Animals.
Vehicles.
food.
Flower.
Food.
Vehicles.
Okay, I heard someone say flowers. Okay, I'll give flowers. Just a second. Yeah. So flowers equals to. So can anyone say why I gave square brackets there? We learnt in last class.
Because it is and least.
Srishti, before you answer, please make sure to raise your hands, okay? Don't speak up to yourself.
Yeah.
Aaron, Aaron, if you know the answer, you can.
To continue the order,
No. Like, why we are using square brackets? Ganavi, you can.
While giving a list,
Yeah, you are correct. So we are doing a list, right? So list is nothing but which contains some values, right? Give me some flowers names.
Hibiscus,
Sunflowers,
rose,
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 So,
lotus,
raise your hands. I said raise your hands. Shushi, you can.
Jasmine.
Jasmine. After your chance, you just lower your hands, okay? Rakshashri, you can.
rose,
Rose. And Monisha, you can.
jasmine,
Jasmine is done.
pink rose,
Okay, let's give pink rose. And let's take a last flower. Sandra, you can.
sister lily,
Okay, let's take Lily. Okay, so yeah, can anyone say what's the next step? So we saw it in the presentation, right? Okay, Hitesh, no, Inika, you can.
I didn't raise the hand, Sharanya.
Oh,
For
yeah.
last question, I raised.
So that's why I said it makes confusion. Srishti, you can.
Print,
Okay, print,
parenthesis,
parenthesis,
flowers.
last. Okay. Okay, after this, sorry, yeah, wait. That just made wrong code. Wait. Yeah. So after flowers, Rakshishi, you can.
I raised before for print.
Yeah, it's okay. So let's just I'll say what's the next line if you don't know. So that's not print, Srishti. But you tried.
Yeah,
Okay.
and
So we'll give. Sorry, Nika.
can I say the code?
Sorry, which code?
This for loops.
For loop.
Next, yeah, next step.
Yeah, I'm typing. Yeah, you can. Okay.
For
So
flowers,
yeah, flowers.
flower,
Flowers.
in flowers,
In
in,
flowers. Again, flowers two times. Okay.
yes,
Then
colon,
enter,
enter, print, parenthesis, flowers, flower,
this is flowers. Okay, let's do
flower,
this.
flower.
Sorry?
Nothing, Sharon.
Yeah. So great job, Inika. So that was right. Excuse me. Yeah. So that was right. So this is how we do for loops. Okay. So it printed whatever I said. It's similar to list, but loop is different. Okay. So in loop, there is one more type we'll learn next, which is next we'll learn. So here you can see, I asked it to print flowers, right? So it printed in order. See, sunflower, jasmine, rose, pink rose, lily, right? So if I asked, you know, it gave me the results in an order. So it didn't just give me in some random order. So first jasmine, second rose. So it didn't give me like that, right? So it gave in an order. So for that we use for loop. So see, it didn't print unlimitedly, right? So it's similar to list, but we add another line here in for loops. Okay. Do you need another example?
No one is sharing.
No,
No,
Anika.
Shishti.
Sorry, no, Sharanya.
So I'll share my presentation again. So for, right now we learned what is for loop. So make sure you keep these things in your head because I'll ask some, questions at the end of the class. So a for loop is nothing but which gives an item in a sequence. Okay. So if someone asks what's for loop, you'll say it's just a loop which gives items in sequence. Okay. So that will be your answer if someone asks what is for loop. Okay. So let's move on next. So next is range. Did you hear anywhere in Python range? Did you hear this word range?
Yes, Shania.
Yeah, Sharanya.
Yes,
Sharanya.
Okay, so then what's range? Raise your hands. Okay, Inika, you can.
It is the order of a number. It contains numbers.
Yeah. In Python, we use range for numbers. Okay. So range means basically numbers. Okay. So it generates a sequence of numbers. So it's same as like, for loop. So it generates sequence of items, right? So but range generates sequence of numbers. So you may think why we are learning range? We are learning loops, right? So then why we are learning range? Can anyone say?
Because to write number wise.
Sorry?
It can be written in only the numbers, at numbers.
No. So, like, if we need, like, we are doing a mixture of for and range, okay? So, we are learning range because if we need numbers in a sequence, so for that we use this. So, yeah. Okay, so here you can see for, so we are, using for plus range. So we are using for loop and range in a single code. Okay. How it will work, I'll just show you. I have not given any definition because you know what's for loop and range, right? So we don't need any definition for this. So I'll share my collab screen. Okay. So I'll show you an example and then I'll say, first I'll show you an example for range and then I'll say how it works for a for loop. Okay. So basically we say range and I'll give a number.
7, 7.
Yeah. Okay. Let's do 7 and another.
2.
15. 15.
Okay, 15.
2.
Okay, 15. So then we'll say to print and list. So we are saying it to print the list. Okay, so I'll explain you at the last because you can't understand right now.
Sharanya, can you scroll it down?
I did anything there. Like I'm still doing code. I'll show you the result. Wait. Yeah, so we took 7 and 15, right? So then we'll close all the brackets and we'll print. Yeah. So here you can see it has printed from 7 to 14. So can anyone say why it stopped at 14? We said 15, right?
It will
The
print
last
inside
number will
numbers.
not count.
No, I
Yeah.
can't. If everyone speaks, I can't listen, right? So rise. Hiteshi, you raised first, you can.
Because the last number will be not counted.
Yeah, so in range, the last number will be not counted. You answered perfectly. So I'll just take another example. Range. Yeah, I'll take only 6. Only 6, nothing other. No. So I'll just take it as 6. No double numbers. And I'll say to print list and then range. So what's our range, which is 6? And then we'll run the code. So here you can see it has printed from 1 to 5. Okay. So if we give a single number, it just prints from 0 till the before number of that number. So if I've given 6, so it stops at 5. So what if I gave, let's take 30. Okay. So what will it print?
It will
In 0 to 29,
0 to
29.
29.
29.
Can
Okay,
Or
let's
you
see.
want to
I'll just run the code. Oh, wait, I have not changed it here. Yeah, you all are right. It prints from 0 to 29. So what if I gave 100? Sorry, I'll give 101. Okay. So what will it print?
99.
Okay.
Sorry, 100. 100. 100.
0
100.
to
0 to 100.
Yeah, it prints from 0 to 100. I'll just show. Here you can see it has printed from 0 to 100. Okay. At first, someone said 99, but it's actually 100. So now let's see
Okay.
an
I thought
example.
that
Sorry.
you gave only 100, right? So I thought 100 you gave. Print least reach. Range 100 I thought you gave. So
No,
I
I
told
gave.
99.
It's okay. It's okay. So now so you learn what is range, right? So now we'll see how to use it.
Sister,
Yeah, who is that?
0 to 100 we should.
Sorry, 0 to 100?
From 0 to 100 we should do.
I didn't get your question.
Sister, from 0 to 100 we should type.
You're asking me that we have to type from 0 to 100.
Yes, sister.
We have to type.
Yes, sister.
No, we'll just give it as, if we need till 100, so we'll give it as 101.
Okay, sister.
If we need 102, sorry, 101 numbers, so we'll give 102.
Yes, sister.
Yeah, okay. So if you have any doubts, you can ask. So next, so you'll learn what is range. So we'll just see example for and range. So it's a mixture of like for and range. So we use both over here. We'll see how. Okay. So I'll take for. Give a variable name.
Animals.
Vehicles.
Animals,
Vehicles.
animals, animals,
Vehicles.
Fruit.
animals,
Vehicle.
Fruit.
animals,
Okay,
Animal.
bike.
animals.
Yeah. So then we'll give in range. Okay. And then so give a number, like it can be single. Okay. So give a number.
Nine, nine,
Nine.
nine,
78. 78.
18. 78.
18.
Someone said 78. And
19.
then we'll say to print bike. Okay. Raise your hands if you know what will it give. Rakshishri, if you know answer, you can.
9 and 4. 78.
Sorry?
9 and 78.
No. It prints. Okay. There is an error.
You have to give colon
Where?
After
after that
After
range.
the
After
nine.
range.
range.
Okay. Rise. Wait. Shushi, you can.
Yeah, after range.
No, Sharanya, after the numbers.
Okay. After the numbers, you mean here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So,
Can I, Sharanya?
yeah.
Can I, Sharanya?
Remove that space after print.
After print. Okay.
Can
No.
I, Sharanya?
Yeah.
Can I?
Enter.
Give the double inverted commas for bike.
Okay. Let's try that. Oh, wait. Sorry.
Use not.
No.
Sister, can I? Before print, you have to give space.
Before print. Okay.
Yeah. It's giving an indentation. Yeah, now you will get.
Yeah. So, yeah, right. So, we have said it to print bike from 9, like, I don't know how many times. It's from 9 to 77. Okay. So, I don't know how much times it has printed, but it has printed from 9 to 78 times. So, I'll just take another example.
Can you show once the
Or,
code, please?
yeah.
Thank you.
So, let's move for another code. For,
You can give animals.
Animals.
okay, animals. Okay, animals, and then what we should give?
In range.
In range.
In
In
range.
range.
Sorry?
In range.
In range.
In
Range.
range.
In range. Okay, in range, and then,
Parenthesis.
Parenthesis.
okay, should I give space or not?
You should give
Again.
space.
Space after parenthesis.
Parenthesis and then number.
18.
Yeah.
18,
79.
27, 11.
29.
Okay, 29 to
11.
100. 100.
29.
100. And then what's the next step?
Print. Print.
Space of space print.
Animals.
Parenthesis. Space print.
Okay,
Parenthesis
space,
animals.
Print. Parenthesis. Animals.
Parenthesis double inverted comma. No double inverted comma.
After
it's showing
that
an
100,
error.
you should give colon.
Colon.
After that 100
Okay,
means parenthesis. Yeah, there. Colon.
yeah. So this time it gave numbers. Yeah. So last time there was some, yeah. Last time, so can anyone
Have
see why
not
it
given
gave
the
this?
double inverted comma for animals in
Yeah.
print.
Yeah. So if you
Yeah.
need animals like those many times, so you can give double inverted comma. But if you need numbers, only the numbers from 29 to so if you give that, so it will give like this. Okay. So that's this code. And do you know you
Sharanya,
can sorry?
I have a doubt.
Yeah.
So I will give from like bigger number to smaller number, like for example 69 to 98, like that. If we give like 45 to 99, sorry, yeah, 45 to 99. Wait 1 second.
Yes.
99 to
Good.
45, what would be the result?
Decreasing order, right?
Bigger number first.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's try it. So first I'll just give 100. And then I'll give it like 50. So let's try what will it print. It prints nothing. See, it
Okay,
prints
sure.
nothing. So I have cleared your doubts. And did you know that we can print tables like five table, 10 tables, which means five ones are five, five twos are 10. So we can print tables also. Did you know that?
Yeah.
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 So few members know it. So I'll just teach you. Okay. So I'll take the variable as table itself. So what value should we give? Like which number?
6.
17.
12.
It's not the table
18.
number. It's just a value. We are just taking a value.
18.
Abhinav, please
18.
write.
28.
Okay.
18.
18. Here we'll use while. Okay. While table. Abhinav, please don't write. Okay. If 18 is lesser than, okay, I'll give it as 20. Yeah. If 18 is lesser than 20, print, we'll save,
Table.
yeah. I'll take the table value as 2, okay? So I'll say y. Wait, I'll just take it as 1. At last, I'll say y, okay? So, which tables you need?
18.
9 or 6.
28. 18.
Okay. I'll take it as 6. So, multiplication symbol, and then we'll give the variable table, okay? And then we'll say table plus equals to. So, it is a positive number, right? So, we have taken it as lesser than. So, we'll just give it like that.
Sharanya.
And 1. So we'll just run that.
You
There
should
is a
give
error.
colon
We should give
after 20.
colon.
For where?
After 20.
After 20.
20.
Yeah, okay. After 20. No, there is an error still.
You should give
You should give
space
space
You
before
should
you double inverted comma maybe.
Someone said space
Use
before.
the space in the third line.
Yeah,
Before
someone said
print.
space. Wait.
You should give space before print.
Yeah. It's taking time. Yeah, here you can see it has given 66666 and keep on, repeating.
Because we gave one
Ah,
there. So
Yeah.
one's a
so what if we give it as 2?
It will come 12.
Let's see.
yeah.
12.
It will come 12, 20 times.
Wait, it is still, loading.
No,
So I'll just delete it
6
and
only.
it was still giving the before one. So I'll take variable as table itself And then what we should write?
Is equal to 1.
Value is equals
Is
to
equals to
1.
is equal to 1.
2.
8.
Not
is
1.
equals
8.
to 2
8
is
is
equals to 2
Okay, is equals to
1.
2.
While
while table
While table
uh, greater or greater
Lesser
smaller
than
number
than
lesser than
is
symbol is
equals to
equals to 5 5
5.
print
colon
Yeah,
parenthesis
colon, someone said
sorry
with
colon
right? And then
print
space.
enter
We should have
print
space before that.
yeah print parenthesis 2
2.
so yeah that into symbol multiplication symbol table
Yeah,
yeah then enter table table
table.
plus space we should not give space there table after there before
There,
table we give
space.
space right
It's not getting cancelled. Yeah, okay. Table
next space plus symbol
plus wait, table plus.
plus is equals to uh which 9
You have to give 2 itself because we have given the
yeah
value as 2,
yeah
right?
yeah
So give 2.
2
I think it
Ah,
need
there's an error.
before
table we should
table
not give before
space.
space there
See? Yeah. So here you can see it is giving table itself. So let's see what if I gave, just a second. It's okay. So it's giving us 4, but you have to give space after, like before table, okay? So it actually prints the table. So if it didn't give, so it prints the number whichever, like it prints by the, number whichever we have given. So yeah, that was while loop, sorry, for loop with range. So can you see my screen?
Yes,
yeah the
yes Sharanya
collab
it's
Okay,
still in collab.
one.
please share so you don't get collab again. Okay. So let's just do a quick summary. So here, like whatever we learned today, let's just cover it up. So we learned loop, so which is nothing but repeatable codes. And what is while loop, which repeats while a condition is true. And for loop is which goes through a sequence, and range which generates a sequence of number. Okay, so that was like quick summary. And that is the end of the class. Before that, I want to ask you all questions. So you attended the class, right? So I'll ask you guys questions, a few questions. You have to answer me, okay? But don't speak up to yourself. Just raise your hands, then I'll pick, okay?
yeah
So it
Sir,
doesn't make rush. Okay, first question is, what is loop? Srishti, you can.
the loop is an programming repeat blocks of coding
Yeah, correct. Good job. Lower your hands. So next, what are the two main loops in Python? Hiteshi, you can.
While loop and for loop.
Yeah, good job. Srishti and Rakshi, lower your hands. Yeah. So what does a while loop depend on? So when does the while loop, gives the answer? Inka, you can.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Like when you ask the question, like when does loops give the while loop give the
While
answer?
loop. Yeah. When does it give the, the answer of that code? We just
It is a repeating.
we saw it
Can you
in.
please?
So I'm just giving you guys hint. We saw it in summary. Okay. So
Yeah.
yeah, Ganavi, you
Yeah.
can.
When the condition is true.
Yeah, good job. So while loop runs when the condition is true, or else if it's false, it doesn't run. Okay. So now anyone say what is range? Okay. Aditi, you can.
The range, it's a function in Python. Um, it's like commonly used to control how many times for loop runs.
Your voice is breaking.
Okay, then I'll repeat it.
So your voice is not that audible.
The range function in Python is commonly used to control how many times a for loop runs.
That was okay. You were related to that. You were saying the for and range combination, but the range is nothing but a sequence of numbers. Okay, so you did a great job. You tried your best. It's okay if it's wrong. Uh, okay. So next I'll ask. Okay, what does a for loop do? What does it does?
What is the question? Can you repeat?
What does a for loop do? Basically, what does for loop do?
Can I?
Karthik, you can.
Sure.
For loop is used to go through a sequence.
You are correct. So for loops prints the whatever we have given. So it prints in a sequence. Okay. So great job. And that was the last question. It's 8:30. And that's it for today's class. I hope you learned a new topic in this class. I hope you all enjoyed.
Yes, sister.
Yes,
Yes,
Yeah.
we
sister.
enjoy.
I'll just give you guys a little and easy assignment. So which is one for while loop and for a for loop and one for range and one for plus range. So the combination of for and range. Okay. So I hope you'll
Yes, Sharanya.
submit the assignment.
Sharanya, give a deadline when they need to submit it. Like, is
Okay.
it before next class?
Yeah.
Or give one date so that they'll submit on date in time.
So I think like 1 week is enough. So by the next class, you just submit it. Okay.
Okay, Sharanya.
Okay,
Okay,
sister.
Sharanya.
Okay, sister.
Shall we
Okay,
wind up,
sister.
Sharanya?
Yes, sister.
Students, you all have understood whatever Sharanya has taught today?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
sister.
The
Yes,
class
ma'am.
was good.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, right? Good, Sharanya.
Thank you, sister.
Okay, so we'll wind up for today and
Sharanya,
make
she is
sure.
not a sister. She is our teacher.
Okay. Sorry, sir. I didn't
It's
know.
okay, it's okay, it's okay. They don't know.
Ma'am, please open your what video and show to your page to them.
It's okay because they didn't know. Aditi also didn't know that I'm conducting. No, always you used to conduct. So they thought somebody has been taken the class. So no issue, Sharanya. But all of you make sure you submit your assignment in time, okay?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Hmm?
Okay,
So
ma'am.
that it will be like a revision for you all. So if you keep it for a long time, so you will forget or you
Okay,
may get
ma'am.
any error. So any doubt you can put it in the group. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, students.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Shall we wind up, sir?
Madam, just stop the recording and you stay back, madam. Others we can